guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on how I got rid of my acne as well as my scar. So I have been having acne for quite a while and I had deep scar marks left from those acne. The doctor recommended me to go for a laser treatment, but however I'm really a freak out of laser treatments, therefore I never went for it. I did a research on what home-based products I can use to get rid of my acne scar and acne as well, and products that calm the skin irritation and also heal the deep acne scar that are caused by cystic acne. They leave a really bad scar. I had a bad experience with that. I'll put a photo next of my skin 2 days ago and today. You can see, if I come closer, you can see I only have one active acne left, and on this side I don't have any. Ingredients today I'm working with is turmeric. So turmeric is anti-inflammatory and it is antibacterial. The turmeric reduces the redness on our skin that is caused by blemishes, and it calms down the skin conditions, and it is an excellent natural antiseptic. It helps to keep the bacteria from spreading. The ingredient that I have is corn flour. So I have 1 tablespoon of corn flour. So corn helps to heal deep scars in a way that it contains a lot of proteins, and proteins are responsible for boosting the collagen on our skin. Vitamin A in corn helps us to rid of our brown marks that are caused in sun or damage, the different damages that are caused by sun rays. The next ingredient that I have is milk. As most of us know that milk is a powerhouse of vitamins like vitamin A. It not only cleanses dirt from our pores that cause acne, but the lactic acid present in milk helps us to fight microbes. The milk that I have is raw milk. Raw milk is the best cleanser that you can get at your home, and you just need to apply it on your face and damp with cotton and then wash your face off. This will remove the impurities, removes the impurities to a great extent. Lactic acid will fight the bacteria. And the fourth ingredient that I have is just 1 tablespoon of yogurt. I like it taken out of refrigerator. I really like the coolness. It is a slow treatment. It won't give you results straight away. But yes, if you have inflamed acne, it would give you results within 1 or 2 days. But obviously there are ingredients that are available in your home, so I would always say do a patch test first before applying these ingredients, because individual skin reacts differently to different ingredients. So please do a patch test. What I'm going to do is so this is yellow corn flour. This acts as an exfoliant as well. Then I'm going to grab just a pinch is sufficient, only because if you use a lot of turmeric you will have yellow tint on your skin, which you don't want. This is dry and yogurt is sticky. I'm going to put all these ingredients in the bowl that has yogurt. I'm going to mix them well. So this is how it looks. I want to make a nice consistent paste, so I'm going to add a few tablespoons. It took me around 6 tablespoons to get the desired consistency. You can see that's it. So now that I have the desired consistency, which is like this, I'm gonna apply this on my skin. I have already tied up my hair at the back. You can always use hair bands because you need to protect your hair. And this face mask can also be used for instant glow to your skin. I'm gonna leave this mask on for around 10 to 15 minutes. I'll give it time to dry. You don't need to hard dry it. As long as you can see some patches dried, it should be enough. So what I've done is I've used the leftover milk to make the mask soft because it has hardened after drying. Now I'm gonna exfoliate my face with this mask. And you can give it at least 1 minute. So now this is how my skin looks like. I have just washed off my face. I'm gonna pat it dry. You can see it gave an instant glow to my face. That's how my skin looks like right now. This is my favorite face mask. I wanted to share it with you all so you can get the benefits as well. So guys, if you liked my today's video, please do like, share and subscribe with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.